Discover the Parrot mini drones, the new generation of connected robots. Today, we show you how to pilot the Parrot Jumping Sumo. To pilot your Jumping Sumo, download the free app Free Flight 3 on your smartphone or tablet. Insert the fully charged battery. Upon connection, it moves and its LEDs turn green. Then, connect your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi. Your Jumping Sumo is ready. Next, open the Free Flight 3 app. Check if your Jumping Sumo is updated and start piloting by tapping Start button on the home screen. Hi! So now, let's pilot!